Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nilogedaini Karyasi as the representative of Vocational High School 1 Tabanan. First of all, I did like to thanks to the good because of his blessing I can stand here and it is a great pleasure for me to be given the opportunity to deliver my speech about global warming issue in all over the world. Ladies and gentlemen, nowadays, from many media we know about global warming and in every where many people say stop global warming. And what is global warming? Firstly, you need to know sun radiation that comes to Earth in the form of light waves through the atmosphere. Most of this radiation is absorbed by the Earth and warmed it. Some energy is radiation back into space by the Earth in the form of infrared waves, and some of this is trapped by the atmosphere and warms. It is a good thing because it keeps the temperature of the Earth, and it is not dangerous, but the problem here is the thin lining atmosphere is being thickened by all of the global warming pollution. It means more of outgoing infrared is trapped and it makes the temperature of the earth become increased, and that is global warming. So global warming is the increasing of earth temperature because of greenhouse gases that trapped in the atmosphere. Because of human activity that continue to add greenhouse gases to the atmosphere like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and the other. Carbon dioxide enter the atmosphere through the burning of oil, natural gas, coal, etc. Also as a result of chemical reaction. Methane is emitted during the production and transport of coal, natural gas, and oil. Methane emission also as a result of agricultural practice. Nitrous oxide is emitted during agricultural and industrial activities. Carbon dioxide never got about 3,000 parts per million, but now it more increased because of human activity. The skin has predicts less than 50 years the amount of carbon dioxide will keep increasing. The data is taken up from Al Gore presentation about global warming in USA. What will happen? The temperature will be higher, and higher. It causes global warming. Ladies and gentlemen, what are the effects of global warming? Global warming causes climate change will be significant. Natural disaster like flood because of the over-absorption of ocean salt. The rainfall will increase drying because of the land humidity was lost. Flood and drying are really a contradictive condition and strong because of the temperature of ocean higher, so storm will be stronger. Also many string diseases like SARS, avian influenza, etc. Those are because of the animals are migrating next during the global warming. And the most important one, because of global warming, Antarctica and Greenland that usually covered by ice and snow. But so they become despair, and it causes the sea level higher than now. What will happen? The steam spreads most of big island in all over the world will be under the water, and that is less than 50 years. It will be scary because no more island we can live on. Where should we go if that will be happen? Because of that, we have to prevent it right now immediately. We make this phenomena, but we can make uh, options to change this. The solution is on our hand. In fact, we can even reduce the carbon emission to zero. What we can do? Are you ready to change the way of your life? You can also do the energy saving equipment, reducing the cooling and heating equipment, and switch to renewable sources of energy. Also, you can ask a green energy plan, a lot of stress, reduce our dependence on oil, help farmers grow alcohol, false rice, full economy standard, require lower emission for automobiles, and if you can walk or ride a bicycle. The last one, if you believe in prayer, pray that people will find the strength to change the world. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I did like to express less to join the international efforts to stop global warming, to save our generation from the end of the world, and tell the people not to raise the world that you will live in. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your keen attention and good morning.